Hi my dear learners, welcome back to my channel. I am here to teach you how to read words and sentences with am family. Come and let us read together.
Am family.
B a m b a m b
Am.
Now let's read. Bam. Again, bam.
Well done.
D a m d a m d am. Now let's read. Damn. Again, damn.
Great job.
A m a m am. Now let's read. Ham. Again, ham.
Nice one, kids.
P a m p a m am. Now let's read. Pam. Again, Pam.
You are amazing.
R a m r a m am. Now let's read. Ram. Again, ram.
Congratulations.
Am. Now let's read. Sam. Again, Sam.
Well done.
T a m am. Now let's read. Tam. Again, tam.
Congratulations.
Y a m am. Now let's read. Yam. Again, yam.
Well done.
This time we are going to read these words. Bam, dam, ham, pam, ram, sam, tam, yam.
You're doing great.
Sentences. Sam had a yam. Bam has a yam. It is a ham for Tam. Ram on the dam. Ram has a jam in the bag.
Congratulations. You made it, kids.
Thank you for watching. To watch this video offline, you can download this video anytime. If you want to read with me, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye learners, see you soon.